behind the day off school, so I figured I'd make a video. Today, I put in that little mountain thing, gonna plaster that over. Also started weathering some cars, as you can see there. I used that trick that Ohio Southern used. I also weathered, here it comes around here. The GP40 on the top here. Maybe you can see that there. I looked up some videos and some pictures, and what's parts were darker and everything else I did on that one. And around this area right there was a lot dark, and up here was really dark. I weathered this car. I'll bring it over here to the light. I'll bring the light over to it, actually. Don't know if you can see it that well, but I weathered it. I put some heated it up. That's my light. Heated it up, and bent the sides out a tad bit. I think I'm going to make a video on how I did my weathering on the top of my cars. Just to show you guys. Did this one. Also, not too much, because I don't like the look of them when they're super weathered. I also weathered this one. I use paint. I also weathered the top of this. I use paint, not chalk and stuff like that. So I guess I'll run my trains for you. Alright, there we go. She wasn't getting power. They run really smooth. All my trains do. I was gonna put a freight train on the inside track for you guys today, but it wasn't working out, so I just put this one back with all my hook coupler cars and trains. So like I said, all these little newspaper mountains are going to be plastered over. They're going to look really nice. Like this one. I don't know if I'm going to put that tunnel in, actually. I think it looks nicer with the ballasted track sitting here. I think it looks really good like that. The ballasted track just makes it so much nicer looking. I'm gonna get a new camera here. It's a JVC Uverio or something, Uverio S. I'm gonna save up some money for that. My videos will be so much better than this. I'm using a little cheapie from Kmart. I guess I'll switch this train onto the other section. As you can see, I don't have these connected with connectors in between the rails here. They're not connected electrically, so I can run two trains going different directions, and I can control the outside loop without stopping the Alaskan, so it's nice. Can't wait to get my new camera for my rail fanning videos. I'm going to be up there a lot more once I get that video camera there. So I wanted to do a storage track from where that coal car is right now all the way around to to right here. But I don't have enough money for any 15-inch radiuses right now, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Almost like a double main line right there, but it isn't, so that'd be nice if I had another double main going around here, but I can't do that. These are the paints I use, which is kind of laying around. Acrylic craft paint type stuff. I like that weathering on that Union Pacific a lot. Yeah, I just use these. Don't know if this stuff, low odor, clear finish Krylon, I don't know if that stuff's to be used for protective, like weathering and stuff. Just found it laying around here, so. I got scenic cement right there. I'm gonna use my mom's camera. She brought it to work, so I can't do anything about that. Again, I'm gonna get some Norfolk Southern coal hoppers here. It's gonna be real nice. I'm gonna get 15 of those. And that, I think my max train car limit probably gonna be like 20. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a little bit too short. But I think 20 is gonna be a little bit too long. So I'm gonna stick with 15 actually. 15 top cars, 15 most. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, okay. Yeah, probably 15 cars on the train would be ample because I don't want them touching the back of the train as it's going around. And I think I'm going to stick with smaller engines. I might get one AC4400 by CSX. But that's probably the biggest I'm going to get. I'm thinking about getting the Dash 8 Norfolk Southern. I really like those. But 18-inch radius is kind of hard, so. If I would have made this a 22-inch radius, I could have, but I like to have straight tracks here and there. You know what I mean? So I have more 22-inch than I do have 18-inch radius. I have probably about 15 more pieces of 18-inch radius and then 30 more pieces of 22. So I have a lot of track here that I don't use. I might put another small layout up in my room. Actually, just to be fun. Maybe put it around the wall or something like that. So, thanks for watching. Thank you all my subscribers. I'm getting a lot of new subscribers here, so thanks for watching YouTube. I'll put a video of my weathering my engines.